In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the inbound calling feature on HubSpot. If you're new to HubSpot or just trying to get a handle on its inbound calling capabilities, this guide will walk you through each step in a friendly and easy to understand way. To kick things off, you'll first want to visit the HubSpot User Guide. This is your go-to online resource for all kinds of HubSpot-related tutorials and tips. You can find the guide easily by searching for the HubSpot User Guide or simply following the link if you're accessing this through their portal. Either way, once you're on the HubSpot website, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your account, as this will provide you full access to all the features we're about to explore. Now, once you're in the user guide, you need to navigate to the calling section. It might take some poking around on their main menu, so look out for anything that suggests voice, calls, or anything similar that might be related to calling. Click on that, and it should bring you to a dedicated section for calling within HubSpot. The calling feature in HubSpot allows you to contact your clients or prospects directly from the platform, streamlining your communication efforts and ensuring everything stays organized. If this is your first time here, you might want to pay special attention to the resources and guides available. They're designed to help you understand every facet of this tool. Next up, you'll see a prompt or a button labeled Learn More. This is where things get interesting. Clicking on Learn More will take you to a deeper dive into the calling functionality. It's essentially your crash course in inbound calling. Here, HubSpot breaks down the steps and features available so you can maximize the effectiveness of your communication. This includes everything from setting up your microphone and speakers to customizing your call experiences with different features HubSpot offers. As you're navigating this section, don't forget to explore the common Q&A sections or troubleshooting guides, as these can proactively prevent any issues you might face later on. The learning curve might seem a bit steep initially, but with the wealth of information HubSpot provides, you'll soon be managing your calls with confidence and ease. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, visiting the user guide, heading to the calling section, and exploring the Learn More resources, you'll be well on your way to mastering inbound calling on HubSpot. As always, feel free to replay this video or visit HubSpot's resources as many times as you need. Get comfortable, start exploring, and happy calling. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips on using HubSpot.